Good morning. My name is Chinmay Biswal. I am from Standard 8 and my school name is Jupiter Public School. So today we are here to explain our model, that is auto farm gate infrastructure. So first of all, what is auto farm gate infrastructure? Auto farm gate infrastructure was an advanced technology or automated system that is located near the agricultural land for producing the crops by the farmers.
My name is PK Brahma. I am from Standard 8. And one more of our subtopic is agro drone. And what is the purpose of drone? To spray the manures to the crops so that the farmers can grow the crops easily. And this drone is very useful because it don't need any agencies to control it. It simply automatically go to the crops and sprays the manure and then comes back to its place and gets charged through the solar panels here.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sanjeshnu. I am from class 8 Jupiter Public School. So our another subtopic is the cold storage unit. So the cold storage unit is a specially designed facility that stores the perishable goods that produced by the farmers. It is important because it allows the farmers to keep produce for a longer time, and it also preserves the freshness of the goods.
And here's one more. It is called Bionet, and it is a machine that simply converts the wastage into the electrical energy. And how? Let me show you. First, when the farmer grow its crop and when the crop get harvested, some crops get spoiled due to some reasons and these crops are useless, but by this machine the farmers can put it in this container, and after that this machine can take it to the inside of this. It get burns, and after burning it convert them into a gaseous compound. That gaseous compound through this pipe goes to this turbine. After that this turbine starts to rotate, and after when this turbine starts to rotate, it produces electrical energy that is stored in this container. Also, this machine don't need any external electricity because here is a solar panel that charges during the day, and this machine can work 24 hours.
This Bionet uses electricity received from the solar panel that is charged in morning, and it is enough for working 24 hours, and then it again charges at morning. This make an electrical loop between the Bionet and the crops.
So this is our project. Thank you. And our theme for the Viksit Bharat 2025 is Atmanirbhar Bharat.